everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be cooking a Korean inspired cucumber salad. So let me show you the ingredients. So of course, since it's a cucumber salad, you're going to need some cucumbers, and I like to use just these little ones, but you could use the English long one as well. Some green onions. So I'm going to use 5 little cucumbers and 2 green onions. You're also going to need 1 white onion. Some garlic cloves. So I'm using about 4. You can adjust to your taste how spicy you want it, how garlicky you like it. You're also going to need some red pepper flakes, and this is 2 teaspoons. Also going to need some soy sauce, some sesame oil, some rice vinegar, sesame seeds, and just some sugar. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the dressing that goes with the salad, and then we're going to cut up the veggies for the salad. So let's start with making the dressing. So I'm actually going to take the salad bowl where I'm planning to make the salad, and I'm going to make the dressing right in here. So we'll need the 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. You're going to need some sesame seeds. Rice vinegar, we're going to use 2 teaspoons. Sesame oil, we're going to add 2 teaspoons as well. Sugar, we're only going to need 1 teaspoon. And soy sauce, we're going to do 2 tablespoons. So now just mix this dressing together. Okay, so that's the beautiful dressing. And now let's work on the ingredients. So I'm going to start by chopping my onions. And place the green onion in the bowl. Now I'm going to use about half or even a little bit less of this big white onion. And this you just want to do like this. Pretty thinly, and just go ahead and break it apart like this and place it into the bowl as well. And now the garlic, of course it is peeled. I'm just gonna cut off the ends, and I'm just gonna grate my garlic. You can also use a garlic press if you prefer. Okay, so just mix this all together with the dressing. If you feel like this is too dry, you can always add a little bit more soy sauce and just add a little bit more sesame oil. Just like an extra teaspoon of each or a tablespoon. Okay, and the last thing, let's cut up the cucumbers. And we're just going to do circles for these. So just rounds. Okay, so we have cut up all the ingredients and made the dressing. So now let's just mix it together, and like always, I'll show you up close. Make sure that the dressing with the onion and the garlic and everything covers all of your cucumbers. And you do want to make this salad a little bit ahead of time, not too much ahead of time, but a little bit, maybe like 15 to 20 minutes before you want to eat the salad, because it does marinate a little bit due to the vinegar and the spicy stuff. So okay, everyone, so here's a final product. A pretty quick salad as well, but it does have more ingredients than a lot of the other salads I have shown you. But it's an amazing salad. It smells very Asian-like because of the sesame oil and all this soy sauce. It has a very good smell. So let's see up close. So this is a cucumber salad, Korean inspired. So this has, of course, the spicy red pepper flakes, the onion, the green onion, and the garlic, as well as the dressing that I showed you at the beginning of the video. It has very many ingredients, so you can see it made there, so you know which ingredients go inside this beautiful salad. And I really like to make the salad to go with the meat or the chicken. It tastes absolutely amazing, but also tastes amazing just if you eat it this and some rice and just a bread or even like a fried egg. It's a very delicious dish. You should definitely try it out, especially if you like spicy, and you can always adjust and make it more spicy or less spicy depending on your preference. And I hope you do give it a try. And thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.